Welcome back.
Wow! You hurt me, dude.
I'll continue to pull stuff off this so you can take this motor out.
Alright. So this motor's gonna come out?
That motor's going out.
Yeah, this fucker blew up. It's junk.
That she better not be junk, bud. God dang. Alright. Me and Nate, we're over here working on getting the old 360 pulled. Got, I think, just about everything set and ready. We got everything unhooked. Gonna try to pull it out all one shot because she has the rear motor mounts instead of a mid plate, so makes it a little bit difficult. And we got Jeff back there working on the Dirt Nasty blue truck, doing blue truck things, getting the motor out so we can put it in the red truck. Alright. Jeff, we might need your hand over here in a minute. Wow. Yeah, you see that? That's some tough love. Yeah, Jeff, because we're gonna have to. Oh.
Did you want to set that up over there first?
Yeah, let's slide the motor back to where we clear the fan shroud, because that was our issue. Dude, I am. I'm multitasking.
Okay.
Yeah. FYI, you ruined the... Oh, hitting on the fuel pump. Alright. Shroud.
Fan shroud? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Jack it up. Is he good right now? Jack up. Come up with it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we look good.
Clear up front.
Well, we're going to have to get it passed and then, obviously, dip for the transmission, so...
Hold on there, Jeff. There we go.
Yeah.
She was stuck on there.
What's messed up now? No shit. Let's get this old girl pulled up. Jeffy, how's it going, dude?
Shit.
Okay. I appreciate your honesty.
We need power tools. People like it there.
Everybody hit that like button. We need power tools.
It builds character using hand tools, okay?
I'm 30, dude. Can you pull it some?
Well, that's just saying something.
Yeah.
Bring
Bring
it
it
to
to
the
I'm gonna bring my own stuff over. Keep going up. Yeah.
Alright.
I'm clear.
Because we
I think
have
we're
to
gonna
go sideways to clear the bottom of the pan.
Yeah.
But we can stop there.
If you want to pull it out, we'll set it on open area.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh my god. There's a little bit of water in there. That's what I'm saying, we're gonna have to go sideways or go up higher.
You gotta slide the wheels back.
Hold on, let's
Yeah. Whoa. You lost me. Yeah, you can't get out of it.
We got it.
Success. Yep. Good. Keep coming down. Cheater truck. Yep. Just set it right there for a minute. All right, Jeff. How's it going over here? Other than what you said earlier. Good. Oh, you got the header off?
Yeah, son.
Okay. Okay.
Wanna know why?
Why?
You don't fuck around.
Wow.
Yeah.
You get that, Nate? You hear him? You hear him?
Well, the other one's still there.
Oh, yeah.
Don't show my mom.
See?
Don't
See?
show my mom.
Oh, I'm showing your mom. You only got the one header. We got the motor out.
I was over here looking good and stuff.
Oh, look, what? Come on. All right. Motor's out. Transmission separated. 383 is going to go in the blue truck after me and Nathan, because Jeff actually just took off. Looks like we got everything unhooked and everything other than the rear motor mount. So we got unhooked those real fast and she should be ready to pull. Alright, she's snug and about ready to come out. Hopefully, as long as this all goes smoothly. Looks good.
Go ahead.
Might have to put a new radiator in there. Probably wouldn't hurt. Alright, throttle linkage. Oh, we're good. Okay. Wasn't sure if it was hitting. All good.
Two very boring minutes later.
Okay. Still coming up. Clear.
Almost clear on this one. Alright. How's that trans looking?
Hitting. So we gotta
Keep coming.
pull her out towards you. Alright.
Go ahead and keep coming up.
Yep. Up a little bit more. No, spin it. Even. Yep. Yeah. Tilt it a little bit more. What's that line on it? Oh, transmission line. Alright, dude. Motor's out. Bringing her over here. Woo. Woo. We'll go up a little bit. Just feel better. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to probably replace the fender anyway, so not a big deal. All right. Probably set her down, I think, here. Bam. The Starship has landed.
Just like that.
Awesome, dude. Now we can get this transmission off of this, separated, so we can send that one out to get rebuilt. This one should still be good, depending on how everything goes. We might get it rebuilt, but it'll go on that motor, and we'll end up putting it in the red truck. So the guys ended up taking off. Ended up snowing pretty good here. So they tried to avoid bad road conditions. They ended up taking off. Jeff had to work. So we didn't end up getting back to anything. But obviously both motors are out of both trucks. So we're pretty happy about that. Made a good amount of progress. You know, Sunday we meant to get back on all this stuff, you know, get back to working, doing some truck stuff, but just didn't end up happening, which we will have a video coming out here soon of what exactly we did do, which was a blast. We're probably going to do it again this Sunday, along with, you know, we always watch Lions football. That's just our thing. So we'll obviously do that. Hopefully do some race car stuff too. But we'll see. But yeah, let's get back to working on getting the trucks a little bit closer to being ready. So now that all the motors are pulled out of the trucks, like I said, this transmission, as long as funds go well, hopefully we're going to get this one rebuilt for that. That one, that's a Falcon that obviously for sure needs to get rebuilt. And this Falcon, obviously, like I said, I got the input shaft. We're just missing a case currently because that one is missing a whole entire ear. So we still got to kind of finish figuring all that out. But back to that point, our transmission, neither one of the trucks have a mid plate. They both run these rear motor mounts. Well, when we ended up having to hurry up and put the truck together, we ended up using Troy's rear motor mount little mid plate style, which we're hoping could kind of go with. But All-Star makes these rear motor plates that are actually 1 inch taller. Obviously my holes aren't lined up because right there hits, but it's 1 inch taller, so which helps us out because now we're not gonna have to run these spacers anymore. That whole entire problem is gonna be fixed. You know, I got a couple other things. We're gonna have to get a new gearbox put on this because it doesn't have a quickener. I mean, we could go that way. Is a cheaper option. Just, I mean, it already needs a box. Might put a box on. I got one on the Pro Stock. Worst case, I'll steal it off of, and then we don't have to rebuild, you know, steering shaft. But we got to get bodies tore off. Take a look at the chassis. You know, do a little bit of touch-up paint where it's needed. And then, you know, we should be able to start assembling. Like I said, this one shouldn't be too far off. Minus, you know, decking width, tailpiece, a couple minor changes. This one, like I said, fresh motor. Got to get a transmission fixed. And all in all, it should be pretty good. I do believe. I mean, we're gonna stumble across more stuff this off season, I'm sure. But let's work on getting some of this body tore off. That one wasn't happy. Got the filler piece all tore off. Got this whole side of the body tore. Nose piece, which bumper's gonna need a little bit of a pull, and that nose piece, I really like that nose piece, but we might have to get a new one, but I'm hoping to still run that one. But you know, all in all, not too bad. Got the, you know, sides all tore off. Start taking a good old gander at her, and you know, get going some more on this off season. So, thanks everybody for watching, keeping up with us. Like I said, we got a new video gonna kinda come out after this one. What we did on Sunday was a blast, like I said, but that's gonna be coming up here soon. But thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.